guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real OG. Today's video is sponsored by FLEXISPOT. Thank you so much, FLEXISPOT, for sponsoring this video. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my honest review on this standing decks. This is FLEXISPOT standing decks and this is 60 by 120. So I decided to go for this particular product, but before then I want you guys to know that I'm a mom, I work, and sometimes we know how challenging it can be, you know, sitting down for so long, body pain and all of that. But with FLEXISPOT, it has got you covered. Now, I got this decks in two boxes. One was the top and the second one was the stand. I was not able to film when I was assembling it and all of that. But trust me, it's easy to assemble, all thanks to the manual. Honestly, this FLEXISPOT is a must-have. It has helped me so far. They've got different colors. So on their website, you're going to see variety. And this particular one is FLEXISPOT E7. They've got the white color, the bamboo, and the black. So it depends on what you want. That's why I say you should just go on their website. You're going to see what you're looking for. So I went for this particular color because, yeah, I wanted black. So now it's flexibility. So let's say when you're reading or you're tired of reading, you're tired of sitting down. You know, sometimes you might sit down for so long and you start feeling like a waist pain, or you know, just start feeling bored and all of that. With FLEXISPOT standing decks, you can make it go higher or make it go lower. Now let's try it and see what I'm talking about. So this is it here. If you want it to go high, I am 5'9", guys. You guys are gonna see the magic now. I so much love these decks. Honestly, this is what's having in a home. So whatever you're doing, you can do it while standing. And if you get bored of standing, you want to sit down, you can also lower it down. Can you see? You can also lower it down. And it also has a space for the USB. You can see this is for sitting, this is for standing. Like, I mean, this is where all the magic happens. Honestly, if you have an office at home, I would definitely recommend the standing decks. If you need the reading decks, whichever thing you need, these decks can serve. And currently they're on sales. So if you go check out their website now and you go for this particular one, you're going to get £120 discount. So this particular E7 costs £419.99. Honestly, it's worth the price. So go and check out their website. I'm going to leave all of that on the description below for easy access. So guys, that is it for FLEXISPOT. If you're interested in that deck, honestly, it's worth checking out. Yes, I'll leave all that you need to know about it, like I said, on the description below. So today we're going to be doing another empty house tour. Should I call it empty? Yeah, it's kind of empty, sha. Yes, tour. And this is a one-room bedroom flat, so it's £650. Yes, it's a lot. For me, it's a lot though, but yes, we're going there to check the house out, or to check the flat out. You guys should leave me a comment, your thought on this apartment. Is it worth the price? And yes, this is my location. I'm in Huddersfield, West Yorkshire. So whereabouts is your location, and how much does houses, or should I say flat, cost in your location? And like I said, it's one bedroom flat. So yes, I'm going there now. I'll be showing you guys what £650 can get you. I think it's not just, there's some other places you might go that will be cheaper though, and there's some other places that you will go, it will be higher. So I feel like it just depends. It just depends on the location, depend on the house. If the house is posh, it will be expensive, and if it's old, it should be cheaper. So it just depends on what you're looking for. So yes, we're going there, and I'll be getting there soon. It's close to town. That's one good thing about this place. Let me show you guys around. Guys, this is Huddersfield Town Center. So once you're here, you're everywhere. This place you can go shopping. Behind this African store, the other side is the train station. Just when you go straight is just bank, and there's a small local market right behind that corner. In fact, this town is just small. It's just this cycle. This is the main town. Yes, this is where everything happens. So now, don't get me wrong, when I say it's small, it's not that bad. It's just that it's not a city, it's a town. So the fact that I say it's small, I don't mean it's that small. There's some places in Huddersfield that you want to go, you have to drive for like 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 80 minutes, you know, like very far within Huddersfield though. So I just mean it's a town, it's not like a big city. So yes, it's not that bad. Before you be like, oh, this place is so tiny, is it the town center? Yes, this is the town center, but this UK, I don't know, is built in a way. In the same Huddersfield, there's some communities you go in Huddersfield, you think it's a small town too. So, but it's still inside Huddersfield. So you see supermarket, you see like a small, store and all of that. Yeah, stuff like that. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's not that bad. When I say it's small, I'm just trying to let you guys know that it's not as big as, like Manchester, London. It's just a town. So yes, it's not too bad. So yeah, this is the town center, guys. So guys, I'm in town center. Trust UK weather. So yeah, this is where I am supposed to be going, but I left my phone in my husband's car, so I don't even know. I'm lost, like, cause he just dropped me and left. Hey God, content. So this is what we get, because I was using the Google Map on my phone, and now I'm just here, I need to sort out myself. This is basically where I am supposed to be entering, but I don't even know where to enter. I don't know.
A few moments later.
So guys, like I said, it's in town center. This is what it looks like. Let's go inside. One thing I don't like about this building is the fact that they don't have elevator. I don't like it, honestly. So you have to keep climbing the stairs. So just imagine when you're tired, you have to keep climbing. So I think that's a no for me though. But I know some people are strong, but I just feel like imagine when you're tired, you're back from work, you just be climbing steps just to get to your room. So yeah, that's one thing I don't really like about this building. So guys, we're here now. Let's go. So this is entrance number. Coming. And here we've got the toilet. Yeah. So this is just toilet. It has a bath here. Let me show you guys. It has a bath. You can see the bath. Yeah, that's me. Toilet, and yeah, this is what it looks like. Can you see? Yes. So then let's go to the next. And so now let's keep going, keep coming. And then we've got here the storage. This is the storage, so you can store anything you want to store here. So yes, and the one is in here too. So this is the bedroom. Ignore the bedroom, ignore it. So this is what the bedroom looks like. A beautiful view, which is outside. Like I said, it's town. Let me show you guys. So you can see behind this town center, you can see farm food there. You can see Sainsbury. Like I said, it's just in town. This is a very beautiful location, and this is what the bedroom looks like. Yep. What do you guys think about this room? The room is not too bad, honestly. This is the bedroom. What do you guys think? Is the bedroom small or is it big? So yeah, this is the bed. I think this is 2 by, I don't know how to design the bed, yeah. But anyway, this is what the room looks like. So I like the rug, it's soft. Like I said, this feels like a new build, or they just renovated it.
20 during the COVID.
Okay, this place is lovely. Honestly, I feel like new builds, but yeah, you can see how fresh the place is. And then let's go to the main location. So this is the main location. It's empty house store. So yeah, this is what the sitting room looks like. Like I said, it's empty house door, and there's a kitchen here. This is your gas, your oven, your washing machine is here. And this place is the freezer. You wouldn't even know there's a freezer there. Everything is well packaged, and at the top is fridge. Honestly, I like the way they package the kitchen area though. It's nice. And well, cooking, whatever is here, you can see as a Niger babe, you can see my dinner. And yeah, this is basically just it. What do you guys think about this apartment? For me, I don't know. I feel like as a single person, you can live in a house like this because for me, I'll find it difficult to live in a sitting room or to have a house where the kitchen is inside the sitting room, because when I start cooking there, my goosey soup or bono soup will be smelling everywhere. So for me as a person, I don't think I will live in this kind of place, because I feel like my cooking smell a lot, and I know that some persons cook and everything will be so neat, but I like to have a separate kitchen. So if you're watching this, what do you guys think about this house? I love this house. It's posh, it's new, it's nice. I love it, but I think if you have a kid or if you've got children, I don't think you will go for this kind of house. But anyway, I know people do that, but for me as a person, I don't think I'll go for this kind of house. So what do you guys think about this house? Leave it on the comment section and tell me if it's worth $650, and if I want to include the bill is around £1,000 or £950. So with bills it's around £1,000, without bills is £650. What do you guys think about this single room apartment? So guys, what do you guys think about this house that is £1,000 per month with bills? Without bills, $650. This is just a single room, and mind you, the room there is no wardrobe. What do you guys think about that? Because she's going to get a wardrobe. I told you guys there's some places in Huddersfield that are very expensive. Well, I guess it's because it's in town center, but for me, I think it's expensive. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe to encourage me to make more video on house tour.